To make these cufflinks, you will need some bottle tops, some epoxy resin, some cufflink backs, a stirrer, some acrylic paint and a tray to stir it in. You can find the link for all these things down below. First of all, you mix the two-part epoxy together. You add a bit of acrylic paint. You want it to be of a ratio of 1 to 10. You need to stir it. You probably want to stir it for a few minutes usually until it goes clear, but it's hard to see with the paint, and it will start to go quite thick and gloopy. You flip the caps upside down and then you start to fill them with the epoxy resin. As the longer you leave it, the harder the epoxy resin will get, and it will take longer to drip into the lids. Once you've done that, make sure you've got them the way around you want them, and then put the cufflink backs in place. You can always hold it and have a look from underneath to make sure that the cufflinks go across from side to side. Once you've done that, you can top up the rest of the cufflinks. Once you're done, leave them to dry overnight, and the next day you're ready to go.